No matter if you are using a wooden hoop or a plastic hoop, the steps for hooping your fabric remain the same. Loosen your hoop by untwisting the screw. Separate the inner and outer ring from each other. Placing the inner ring down first, lay your fabric on top of it. Ensure the fabric is both centered and the weaving of your fabric runs top to bottom and left to right. Slide the outer ring over your fabric and tighten the screw. As you tighten, evenly pull the fabric so the fabric remains taut, and tighten until the fabric surface is taut like a drum. Now with your fabric in the hoop, you are well on your way to start your embroidery.